Sensors look normal. Nothing unusual out here.
Engine power's dropping. We're drifting, hold on.
Hard to port. Now! We're losing control. Brace yourselves.
Seal the hatches now. Move! Brace for impact.
Transcription. Fuel lines are burning. Contain it now.
Get to the lifeboats, go, go!
The midsection's failing. She's breaking apart. Rescue units, move out! We have a major emergency!
Hold on! Don't let go!
Flooding's accelerating. She's taking in too much water.
She's going vertical. This is the final break. Fire's spreading fast. We're losing her. The deck's collapsing. Everything's going down. She's collapsing. This is the end.
Grab the rope, you're safe now.
Keep them warm. Start treatment now.
It's spreading fast. We need to contain this now.
We're live from the coast. Updates continue to unfold.
All right, people, let's break this down. Show me the primary impact zone.
Maritime disaster, collision at sea.
Experts are divided.
The truth remains unclear.
We honor their courage and their sacrifice.
See you in the next deep dive.